Hey, it's Christy with WTI, and I wanted to show you this awesome storage solution that I found. This is under the bed storage, but what makes this different from a lot of the other under the bed storage that I've seen is it's completely customizable. And I love that because I knew I wasn't going to be putting traditional things in here that you might think of, like most people might put blankets or clothes or shoes in these and put them under the bed, and I'm using it for all of my sons, like Pokemon collectibles, cards, toys. We have an excessive amount of Pokemon stuff, and I didn't know what to do with it, but this has been the perfect solution. So it comes with these dividers. These are the ones that I have left over that I'm not currently using, but they're all Velcro. So you have strips on the interior of these, and then you insert these dividers as needed, however big or small you want to make each compartment, which is brilliant. So as I was organizing, I would just divide as I went. So it's really awesome. There's a handle on both sides. So if you want to put it underneath either direction, you have a handle to pull out. The zipper covers are really nice. But honestly, the best part about this type of storage is that when you're done utilizing whatever it is you have stored, you just slide them under the bed and then you don't see it. The best storage is the storage you don't see because it looks clean and beautiful. So I love these. I think they're so versatile. So if you need something like this that offers you versatility, flexibility, and a place to hide it all, this will be perfect for you. That's my point of view.